Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best OBD2 scanner for Toyota, selected for their diagnosis problems faster, monitor real-time data, and avoid costly repairs with accurate readings designed for Toyota vehicles and daily maintenance needs. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. OTOFIX D1 LITE OBD2 Scanner. The OTOFIX D1 LITE OBD2 Scanner is an impressive diagnostic tool designed for car owners and professional mechanics who need advanced features without spending a fortune. This wireless Bluetooth scanner delivers smooth performance and provides fast access to vehicle diagnostics, making troubleshooting easier and more efficient. One of its biggest advantages is the bi-directional control feature, which allows users to actively test vehicle components instead of simply reading trouble codes. This makes it extremely useful for identifying faults in systems like windows, fuel pumps, cooling fans, and more. The device also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring stable communication with modern vehicles. Its compact and durable ABS plastic design feels solid and portable, making it convenient for garage or mobile use. The scanner supports software updates, helping users stay compatible with newer vehicle models and features. Another positive aspect is its user-friendly interface, which is suitable for beginners while still offering enough advanced functions for experienced technicians.
Number 2. Autel MaxiCOM MK808K-BT Obd2 Scanner. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808K-BT is one of the most powerful and versatile automotive diagnostic scanners available for both enthusiasts and professional repair shops. As a 2025 upgraded version of the popular MK808 series, this tool delivers outstanding performance with full bidirectional control, allowing users to perform active tests and communicate directly with vehicle systems. The scanner supports OE-level all-system diagnostics and includes more than 36 service functions, making it suitable for maintenance tasks such as oil reset, EPB, injector coating, battery registration, and steering angle calibration. One of its major strengths is the stable Bluetooth connection with a working range of up to 30 feet, which provides flexibility while working around vehicles. The Android 11 operating system improves speed and responsiveness, creating a smooth user experience. It also supports FCA auto-off and Renault security gateway access, giving compatibility with many newer protected vehicles. Another impressive feature is the wide vehicle coverage extending up to 2025 models, making it highly future-proof. The BMW software improvements add even more value for users working on luxury vehicles.
Number 3. VDIAGTOOL VD80BT Obd2 Scanner. The VDIAGTOOL VD80BT Obd2 Scanner is a highly advanced automotive diagnostic tool designed for users who want professional-level functions at a competitive price. One of its standout features is advanced ECU coatings. The VD80BT provides full system scanning for essential systems, such as engine, ABS, transmission, airbags, and chassis controls. Its topology mapping feature offers a visual communication structure between modules, helping users quickly identify faults. The bidirectional control system is another major advantage, enabling active tests for injectors, fuel systems, windows, sunroofs, and other electronic components. With support for CAN-FD and DOIP protocols, the scanner is fully prepared for modern vehicles. The Android 10 operating system, combined with 2 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, ensures fast and responsive performance. The 8-inch touchscreen is bright and easy to navigate, while the large 5,000 mAh battery supports extended use.
Number 4. MUCAR 892BT Obd2 Scanner. The MUCAR 892BT Obd2 Scanner is a feature-packed diagnostic device that combines powerful automotive scanning with modern intelligent technology. One of its biggest attractions is the lifetime free updates, eliminating subscription costs that many competing scanners require. The device supports more than 150 vehicle brands and over 10,000 vehicle models, making it suitable for a wide variety of users around the world. It offers all system diagnostics, active tests, ECU coding, CAN-FD, DOIP, and 35 reset functions, providing capabilities usually found in much more expensive professional tools. A standout feature is the AI Intelligent Diagnostic System, which helps users analyze problems more efficiently through smart diagnostic reporting and assistance. The scanner also supports hidden feature activation for brands such as Volkswagen, Audi, Toyota, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz, allowing users to unlock additional vehicle functions. VAG-guided functions improve repair accuracy for Volkswagen and Audi owners. Number 5. THINKCAR Thinktool Mini Obd2 Scanner. The THINKCAR Thinktool Mini Obd2 Scanner is an excellent compact diagnostic tool that offers a strong balance between affordability, portability, and professional functionality. Designed mainly for DIY users and small repair shops, this scanner provides full OBD2 diagnostics along with advanced features typically found in higher-end devices. One of its major strengths is the free system-wide code reading, code clearing, live data streaming, and software upgrades for all supported vehicle models. The scanner also includes multiple reset functions, with more updates expected in future versions, making it increasingly valuable over time. After subscribing to vehicle-specific software, users can unlock advanced functions such as ECU coding, action tests, and special service procedures. The device supports more than 93 vehicle brands and works with most OBD-compatible vehicles produced after 1996. Its intelligent VIN recognition helps quickly identify vehicle information, reducing setup time. And that wraps up the top 5 best OBD2 scanner for Toyota. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.